There's a quiet in this house tonight, no opposition in the halls to fight. Every voice I used to run away is finally out of my way. I spent years defending the place I used to be. But truth does not shout forever, it waits patiently. Now there is nothing left to prove, just what I choose to do. If I am gonna change, it starts with me. Not the past, not what I could not see. All the time that I felt was gone was time that I would not leave. Change is not a lightning strike, it's a steady flame. If I want a different life, I have to own my name. It starts with me. I blame the years that I could not get back. I blame the love that broke me open. I blame the weight upon my back, but I carried what I chose. Every silence cost me, every truth I bent. The hardest lesson I have learned is every bet was mine to spend. No rescue coming from the sky, no miracle in disguise. If I am gonna change, it starts with me. Not regret, not history. All the doors I closed myself are waiting on the key. Change is quiet, change is slow, but it will set me free. If there's a future to defend, it has to start with me. No more stories to defend, no more masks for me to wear. Just a man who finally stands in honest open air. I am not too far gone, I am not too late. Every breath I take tonight is one more chance to cope.